We have a very unusual weather map to show you tonight. It has things moving in several different directions. Our temperatures have been moving here and there, and we showed you the current temperatures earlier, and they are what amount to today's highs. Now, we have had a situation where the latest drought monitor was released earlier this week, in fact just yesterday, and it shows dry conditions, dry soil over almost our entire viewing area, and that yellow color extends of course to Sangamon and Montgomery counties, where they had of course that tragic auto pileup which resulted in several fatalities due to, in part, farming soil. Now here's a very unusual weather map, lots of different directions being taken here by possible weather systems. There's a low pressure system that we've been watching, but as for now, we're not exactly certain about whether there's going to be precipitation in our forecast. And things are looking good overhead. We're going to have a full moon tonight, but we do have an increase in clouds expected, an overnight low of 55, wind gusts at times up to 20 miles an hour. We are under a level 1 possibility of a severe storm risk for tomorrow. That's on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the most severe. It's covering portions of our viewing area at level 1. More severe weather is expected to the west. Now here's a look at what may be developing tomorrow. The possibility of a severe thunderstorm. Lightning, of course, the most severe risk potentially. There's always a slight risk of a tornado, though, and damaging winds. 74 for the high tomorrow afternoon on your Saturday, which includes EIU graduation. Now, we've been watching Futurecast, and there's been quite a development. In the last half an hour, this basic model went from almost all red over the viewing area, which indicates severe weather, to basically no precipitation for Saturday. That's in agreement with another forecasting system, the general forecast system, which indicates we're going to have rain on Sunday morning, but no severe activity on Saturday. Here's what's developing for Sunday, though. It looks like it's turning to clouds, so we do have some dissipation in weather systems. Still, a possibility of severe weather for tomorrow, and then Sunday, scattered storms possible, and the same thing for Monday. And with those increased temperatures, that brings us possible instability in the atmosphere. So the weather risks, if things develop as they could, but probably won't, hopefully not, the possibility of damaging winds, a slight risk of a tornado, the possibility of some development of hail, and there's always a risk of flooding activity or at least pooling of water on roadways whenever you have a severe thunderstorm. Now here's our 7-day outlook as we know it at this moment. High temperatures, possibly even into the middle 70s now for Saturday. Sunday and Monday warming up into the 80s and running into Tuesday. Tuesday, in fact, I think is our best weather day. And you'll notice we finally reached the point where we're going to have above average temperatures for at least a few days in a row.